And up here on the next level we've got a selection of all the cast iron and wrought iron things that are being made or are still being made today. You probably recognise some of these things. Look at that. I don't know what they all are. I'm not going to look at all what they all are, but they look good. And trust me, they're all heavy. Figurines of Robert Peel there, best known as the founder of the modern police force. Yeah, Robert Peel. There's a lot of mirrors. It's a nice statue, isn't it? Cast iron. Some weight there. Alright, missus. Ooh, look at these. Stags. Beautiful. You want one of them on your mantelpiece? Yes. Oh, and a snake. Good stuff. And look at that for the table. Wow. Wow. A dog at each corner. Wow. That's something else.